If you want to become a data analyst and you have no prior experience or a college degree, it is definitely possible, and here's how I did it. I completed a 6-month apprenticeship program where they taught me the in-demand technical and professional skills that I would need to be successful as an analyst. And at the end of that 6 months, they helped place me in a permanent role with a different company. When it comes to these entry-level roles, you definitely don't need any degree or prior experience. I know a lot of people that went the boot camp route to learn data analytics. I know people that's done certifications. I know people that just do the self-taught route through like Udemy courses or YouTube videos, just Googling different resources to learn the skills that they'll need in these roles. The key thing is, however you're choosing to learn data analytics, the best thing to do is while you're learning these skills, do your own projects so that way you can build your portfolio